Hi, I'm Rebecca, and welcome to my kitchen. And yes, this really is my kitchen. Today, I'm making sausage and gravy. It's one of our go-tos. It's Sunday morning, and we're going to sit down and have some of this with some biscuits. As you can see, it's all made up, and it's ready to go onto our plates. And what you'll do is just take a couple of biscuits, open them up, and put the gravy right on top of these biscuits. And you can just slather it on. It is one of our go-tos. To see the recipe and how I did it, here is the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I thank you for joining me in my kitchen today, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a good day. Bye.